Hi, today I received my first Leatherman multi-tool. Let's find out why this particular multi-tool is very popular. It's the Leatherman Wave. Come join me to do an unboxing and review of this Leatherman Wave. So I have here my Leatherman Wave. I just received it today. And let's try to unbox this and see what's inside. So we have a nylon sheet. We have the Leatherman Wave. And we have the user guide. What I have is a black Leatherman Wave. It has 17 tools. It's considered as a full-size multi-tool. Its weight is 241 grams and its length when it's closed is 4 inches. So we will try to access all the tools in this wave. So this is the straight knife. We have the serrated knife. This is the wood and metal file. And we have the saw. So we have a long nose plier, regular plier, cutter, we have a Phillips screwdriver, a flat screwdriver, a wire stripper, can opener, we have a bit driver, we have a large screwdriver, a spring action scissor, we also have a ruler, so that's the Leatherman Wave. You might want to also check out my videos on my other EDC items like the Leatherman Crater C33TX or the Olight M2R Pro Warrior flashlight. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.